Here's how to make app icons smaller or bigger on your iPhone. Now, if you don't like the size of the app icons, you can either make them bigger or smaller. The first option you have, and I'm going to walk you through several options, but we're going to press and hold on an app. After you press and hold on an app, you'll be able to see it says Edit Home Screen. So tap on that. This works for any app. Just press and hold on it and tap Edit Home Screen. And at the top left, tap on Edit. Now from here, you can see Customize. Let's just tap on that. You can see the option to change from default, dark, etc. However, at the top right are two squares, a smaller and a bigger one. So if I tap on that, you can see it turns all of these app icons bigger, but it does remove the label. So that's a trade-off. It doesn't necessarily make the entire space it takes up bigger or smaller. It just removes the label and makes the app icon bigger. So depending on your preference, you can either make it smaller like that or bigger like that. Now, there are other ways to make them smaller or bigger as well. Let's go into your settings. Oh, let me go back out here. From the beginning of your settings, all you need to do is scroll down until you get to display and brightness, and then scroll down to the very bottom until you get to display zoom. Now, if you wanted everything to be bigger, all of the text, all of the screens, and the app icons, you can switch to larger text and then hit the check mark and hit use zoomed. Your phone screen will go black. And then after you've done that, you can see everything is even larger. So it boosts up everything even more than it was before. However, let's say you don't necessarily like that, or they're still too small. You want them to be even bigger. There's a third option to make them smaller or bigger as well. And to do that, you're going to press and hold on the app. Let's say Instagram, in this case, I want to be bigger. I can press and hold on it. And now you can see the squares and another square that's bigger and a rectangle. I can just tap on that and it will make this entire app icon bigger, and it will default to whatever the developer decided. In this case, Instagram defaults to messages. So I can tap on that again and switch it to even bigger. So keep in mind, on all of these, you can essentially create a widget associated with this app. So it works on other apps as well. For instance, photos, I can press and hold and tap on the larger icon, and it will turn into a larger icon of my photos, and it just will randomly show some photos. Again, to go back, all you need to do is press and hold, and then tap on these smaller squares, and it will go back to the normal app icon. You can have them as big or as small as you'd like.